Hello everyone, it's Laura Sarugi, your brand ambassador to Coldwell the Real Estate Group. Just want to take a few minutes to show you how to log in to get your smart home designation. If you'd like to go over to Main Street, which is treg.redata.com, get your username and password and log in. Now, you can go directly to CB Exchange under these links, which are going to send you directly to it, or you can go to cbexchange.com and log in that way as well. Feel free to use whatever works best for you. Now, give it a few minutes. It obviously has a lot of processing to do to get it over to your direct link, which is going to be cbexchange.com. And again, you can use this for all sorts of information, whether it's listing tools, buyer presentations, and all sorts of e-marketing. So use this like Google. You're going to type in whatever you're looking for. Today we're looking for smart home. Press enter. It's going to give you a few options, information about the smart home courses, what defines a smart home. There's videos for you to use on your public websites, or new smart home course designed exclusively for you. Feel free to click that. This is the course designed exclusively for you. Now you're going to be clicking the blue Register Now button, which is going to take you directly into Coldwell University. This is going to give you a little bit more information about identifying, discussing the smart home features and benefits. Now, as you scroll down the page, here are your classes. Now, obviously mine are already in Central Standard Time. Yours might be looking at Eastern Time. If you'd like to change that, feel free to scroll all the way back up to the top, and right here where it says User Profile, click that. Give it a minute. Right here is where you can change the time zone. Again, you were probably in Eastern Time, which is going to be default, and so we are going to go to Central Time, US and Canada, and press Save. Alrighty, right here it says it's been successfully saved. You're going to hit the back button over in the far left corner to get back to that main page of Smart Home. And as you scroll down, your sites should be updated as well. So here are the 4 courses that are currently being offered. You have Smart Home 7, which is taking place at 9 a.m. on Tuesday the 19th, and again at 9 a.m. on the 21st. This is your start time, smart start, that works out well, of 9 a.m. and it's going to end at 10:30. And again, for the 19th and the 21st, which is a Tuesday and Thursday, a start time of 1 p.m. and an end time of 2:30 that day. And same again in August. Choose the course that best works with your schedule. I'm going to click on this one, which is currently going to work for me. It's going to take you into this next page saying the same stuff, what date it is going to be and what time. You have only one option to do on this page, and that is to click the Enroll button. There's one up top, and there's one all the way at the bottom. Make sure your screen is big enough so you can see them, and click Enroll. I'll give it a second to register. You might have a pop-up up top. Give it a second. It should go through. Beautiful. If it doesn't, click the pop-up blocked. That'll help you through. And if anything, you can always have IT help you with that as well. Now, so you are successfully logged in at this point. It's going to show you down here how many seats there are, how many seats remaining. If it ever gets low and you're unable to log in, please let me know right away so I can get contact with our home office. Now that you have been enrolled in this class, you're going to go and check your email, which is going to show that you are registered and confirmed for the Smart Home Technology 9, which is the course that I signed up for. Now, a day ahead of time, you are going to get another email, which is going to be similar to this one. This is from a course I already took, so it's going to have different dates. But as you can see, you can scroll down, and here is going to be a direct link to show you into the training session. Now, in case for whatever reason you don't get this email, please check your spam boxes or your junk in your email or your browsers just to make sure that you didn't miss it. Or you can go back into CB University, which, again, that home screen of CB Exchange, which I showed you how to log into, either via Main Street or directly at cbexchange.com. You can go up to here, which looks like a button. It's called our Springboard. Click on CBU Learning Center. This is also where you're going to take any of those other webinars that I had sent out as well to you. Great information in there, everyone. There's a lot to learn. So this, again, is the back face of CB University. You are going to click on My Enrollments to see the classes that you are scheduled for. I'm going to have a few of them logged in here, so don't be alarmed at first. But this right here is showing all the classes that you're signed up to take, or previous ones that you would have already taken. This over here right now, launch this session. You can click on it. It's going to open it up. Let's see what it's going to do for me here today. It's going to open it up for you. Now, because they haven't opened the session, it's not going to have my name, your email address, or options to join now. Once it is on that day, probably about 20 minutes prior to the time getting started, this will be fully accessible. You can click the Join Now button and you will be good to go. So, easy as that. Feel free to contact me with direct help so that way we can get you signed up and get you going on everything. Can't wait to see all of you with your smart home designation. It's just, again, a free class. Only takes 90 minutes on both Tuesday and Thursday. Thanks, everybody, for logging in, and I can't wait to see you with your smart home designations.